Meaning of grandad.
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 Grandad. Grandad is a noun that refers to a person's paternal or maternal grandfather, meaning the father of their own parent. The term is typically used affectionately and respectfully, often by young children. Grandfathers are often regarded as wise and experienced figures, with many families valuing their advice and guidance. In addition to being a family member, grandfathers may also serve as role models and mentors, sharing their knowledge and skills with their grandchildren. Overall, grandad is a term that is associated with love, respect, support, and family unity.